In this video, I'll show you how to manage Salesforce apps so you can confidently review, edit, or create applications without getting lost in the interface. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner and opening Setup or Advanced Setup to enter the administrative control area where configuration tools are located. Use the quick find search box on the left and type App Manager, then open it to view the full list of standard and custom apps installed in your organization along with their descriptions and developers. To modify an existing app, click the drop-down arrow beside its name and choose Edit, where you can adjust labels, branding, navigation items, and visibility settings while keeping user workflow in mind. If you want to introduce a new app, select New at the top and follow the guided steps to bundle tabs and features for a specific team or process. Planning names and access carefully helps maintain clarity and smoother adoption. Subscribe for clear beginner tech tutorials and honest walkthrough videos every week.